I'm going to share with you the breakfast that we recommend for almost all of our clients. The two most common complaints that I hear from people about breakfast is, one, I don't have enough time to eat breakfast, or two, I'm not super hungry in the morning for breakfast. So our ideal breakfast has to overcome both of those obstacles. The easiest way to do this is with a breakfast smoothie. You throw all the ingredients in the blender, push, blend, walk away, pour it in a cup. You can take it with you on the go if you don't have time in the morning, and you can sip on it as the morning goes on as you become hungry. So how do we create an optimal breakfast smoothie that's going to fill you up and have all the nutrients you need like a complete meal would? Step one, pick a liquid. This can range from water to milk to tea. Pick something that fits your own dietary needs. Step two, pick a protein powder. If we're going to use smoothies as a meal replacement, we need a substantial amount of protein, so we're going to need a protein supplement. Again, pick something that fits your own dietary needs. Step three, pick a veggie. If you haven't noticed by now, we're including all the things that we would normally include in a regular meal. I tend to choose spinach or greens just because you can't taste them at all in the smoothie. Step four, pick a fruit. This is going to be where all your flavor comes from, so pick something that you enjoy. Finally, choose a healthy fat, whether that's nuts, nut butter, olive oil, avocado oil. You're really not going to taste it, but we need to include it to make this a balanced meal. You can see we're getting all the things that we would get in a regular meal. It's quick and easy to make. We can take it on the go and eat it as we get hungry, and it's the perfect option for a healthy breakfast.